I think so far we've been limited with the actions that we provide to IT admins, and it's been sort of a reactive loop where they come in and tell us the kind of automations they want, and then we go and build these things. With this new approach where they can custom build actions on their own, they can build these custom workflows. I think we've almost transformed and given more creative power to IT admins. The fundamental thing was, I think we were too involved in the process of trying to build more capabilities and actions. But one thing that kept coming back was, how does an IT admin go about actually building a journey? And the most critical step was, they have the automation that they want to build in their head, and then they have to map it and convert it into a structure that our system understands. And that always felt like a lot of work. And with the way AI is advancing, like we've all been using coding agents, I think even non-technical people have started building apps. So it felt like the technology was there to convert what they wanted into a structure we understand. And that was sort of the starting, I think, spark to get us down this path. I'm excited to see what kind of automations they end up building.